Wait.
Hello guys, this is Seth from TechShift. I'm going to be doing an unboxing video of the Leopold Tenkeyless mechanical keyboard. This is going to be my first mechanical keyboard that I bought. This has the Cherry MX brown switches, which are in between the Cherry MX blacks and the Cherry MX blues. For those who don't know, the blue switches are the clicky keys, and the blacks are quiet. The blues are supposed to be good for typing, while the blacks are supposed to be good for gaming. I chose the brown ones because they didn't have the blue switches in stock for this brand, and I like to type at night, so I kind of want to keep the volume low. So let's begin and open it up. Got some packaging material here. That was it. Seems kind of bare packaging. Alright, guess that was it. Okay. So there you see the Leopold Tenkeyless. I don't know if you can see that. It says MX Browns. Alright, let's open it up. Let me just focus here. Okay. Like plastic covering. Keyboard right here. Sounds pretty good. And that was it. We have a PS-2 converter for the USB, and that was it. Seems kind of loud, but I suppose it's quieter than the blues. I don't know, I never tried the blues. It was pretty good. So that was it. That was just a quick unboxing of the Leopold Tenkeyless with the Cherry MX brown keyboard, and I guess I'll do a full review later on.